Hi, this is Ian from Femi Pro Limited, and in this video I will be answering frequently asked questions about how to get hybrid cars repaired in Jamaica. Before I start answering the question, I'm going to give a summary of what Femi Pro company does. We import brand new hybrid batteries, brand new hybrid packs, used cells, inverters, and other parts for hybrid cars. We also have experienced technicians that can fix most issues with hybrid cars. We work on most brands and models of hybrid cars like Toyota Prius, Toyota Crown, Honda Civics, Honda Accords, Honda Fit, and many more. Now, these questions are not listed in any particular order. Do you sell hybrid batteries? Yes, we do. We sell brand new hybrid batteries, we sell used cells, and we also rebuild packs. What's the main benefit of purchasing a brand new battery versus a used battery? Well, brand new batteries come with 3-year warranty or 1,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Also, when you purchase a brand new pack, it's like purchasing a new car. This is the feedback that we get from some of our customers. However, used cells are cheaper, and you normally can get 2 years or more when you use a used cell. New cells or new battery packs are expected to last 6 to 8 years, even though we have a 3-year warranty, and you get much better performance out of it versus used cell or used pack. So it's cost versus efficiency. However, we have a solution for every car or most cars and most budgets. What's the cost of your new battery pack? Well, this depends on the brand car and model car. But at this time, our cheapest pack starts at $200,000 and goes up. What's the cost of your used cell? Our used cells, we sell between $5,000 and $8,000 up to $20,000. This depends on the model car and the amount you are buying. Our new cells start at $15,000. What's the cost to diagnose my car or do a check on the car? We have to do this on a case-by-case basis. So I cannot give you a cost without hearing the history of the car or what the problem is. So feel free to contact us anytime and I'll give you a cost at that time to check the car. A technician already checked the car and reset the computer on my car, and the fault came back in a few hours or a few days. 99% of the time, resetting the computer will not fix the problem. It will reappear. I did repairs on my car before and replaced 1 or 2 batteries, but the car is still not driving efficiency or the check light came back on. Most likely, the car was not diagnosed properly, and as a result, you did not repair or replace all the batteries that needed fixing. Doing a scan on the car will tell you that you have a fault with your hybrid pack. However, further diagnostics needs to be done. What needs to be done is you have to go into the pack and check each individual battery cell individually. This has to be done with a specialized charger. Checking the voltage only on the battery, like what most technician does, will not tell you if a battery has fault. Voltage does not tell you much. You need to put the charger and check the capacity by putting a load on it and see how it reacts when a capacity or load goes on it. So we need to do that, and most time it takes 1 or 2 days to get the check properly. In most cases, why you still have an issue is that other cells need to be replaced, or all the cells are good, but there is variance in the voltage and the capacity, so we need to rebalance back the pack. So all the cells could be good, the voltage will be good, but if the variance is too wide, the computer will still show you a fault. So we have to go in, diagnose the problem, rebalance back the pack, or replace a few more cells. How long does it take to get my car checked properly? Well, the initial check with the OB2 scanner only takes a few minutes. However, a thorough check may take 2 to 3 days. Why does it take 2-3 days to get a thorough check? We have to check each individual cell thoroughly, and this requires to charge and discharge each one at least 3 times. This will help us determine if the capacity is good enough to run your car. Now, most persons who are not familiar with hybrid cars would only check the voltage, but the voltage does not tell you that much. You need to check capacity, and basically capacity tells you if the car can maintain the required voltage when it's under load. Why is there such a long waiting time to get my car checked by one of your technicians? Because this is a new service, we have a very high demand at this time. However, we expect the waiting time to reduce within the coming months. So please be patient with us at this time. If there are any questions that I did not answer in this video, feel free to contact us anytime via phone or email, and we will give you information or your feedback. We're willing to assist you free of cost. You can always contact us at 876-383-3464. That's 383 Femi. Thanks for watching this video, and look out for more informative videos from Femi Pro.